Hi everyone, welcome back to another segment of Jamaica Tana. Today we are in a beautiful place, one which holds one of the richest cultural heritage of Jamaica. We are in Moortown. We've been meeting up today with Colonel Sterling, but today we've got here with us Fitz, who is the drummer for the Maroons. So Fitz will be taking us around, so I hope you will enjoy this tour. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Fitz. How are you doing today, Fitz?
I'm doing fine.
Pleasure meeting you, sir. Yes, I would like for you just to tell us a little bit about your culture, because as Jamaicans, we need to know our roots. We need to know exactly where we're from and the reason for our being here. So I would like for you to just show us what's going on around here. And
I'm Fitz. I'm Moortown, born and bred Moortown.
okay,
And this is the Nanny Town.
okay,
So this is the Blue Junker Mountain Heritage Site, and we're there near the Bump Grave. So we're gonna take a tour around.
okay. So this is the heritage site of
Blue and Junker Mountain.
Blue and Janko Mountain. So this is the monument, and we've got the bump grave. That's where the body of Nanny, who is affectionately known as Granny Nanny, that's where her body was laid to rest. Come with us, please. So this is the first colonel of the Maroon. This is where his body lays, Colonel Harris. And this is known as the bump grave. This is where the body of Nanny of the Maroons was laid to rest. Right over here is another monument, and it says monument to the right excellent Nanny of the Maroons, and she was declared a national hero of Jamaica in 1975. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. This is the cultural center for the Maroons. This one used to catch the birds. That's the bow and arrow for shooting fish. This is also bow and arrow, or?
Yeah, this is the bow and arrow. This is another there.
Oh, okay. And that looks like a spear.
Yeah, this is the jungle. Where they used to hunt.
Oh.
And then go in the bush and see the wildlife with the dog.
Okay.
Stop it.
We have got some baskets here, right?
Yeah, this is some baskets.
And that's like just for household to carry fruits and things, right?
Fruits inside.
Good.
We put fruits, the yam inside.
Yeah.
We go from the farm. And this is the aben.
That's your bend.
Yeah.
So that is the instrument
Yeah.
for signals?
Yeah, signal. They use the aben like when people lost.
Oh.
People don't they can find them.
Oh,
They use the
okay.
aben like when you cell phone now.
Yes.
To make sound.
Okay. So is there like a special sound for special reasons?
Yeah. So you blow it like, suppose somebody drowned or like you can find like one call that. You know somebody that
Yeah.
when I
So
blow the
this is
aben
your
now,
phone?
yeah. You
Oh,
know
okay.
that somebody lost or somebody
Wow.
died.
Okay, what else do we have?
We have mat.
Okay, this
We make out of straw.
from straw. Okay. So like most homes, this is like the main.
Yeah, first time.
That's correct.
This is the name.
Okay, good. And this looks like an instrument, like
Yeah, this is a guitar we put here. We got that bamboo.
bamboo guitar. Good. All right. In terms of the crops, like say if you should like export, what's the most available?
I really smile, because there was a time if you had asked me that question 20, 30 years ago, I'd tell you, banana would come right out of my mouth.
Yeah, okay, but
Because
now you've got too many things.
No, not that we have had too many
Yeah.
things. It's a matter of, once the banana went under, then you have to diversify in other things. You do coffee, grown provision like dasheen as a tuber.
Yep.
And people still do banana, and plantains. Bananas are mostly sold locally.
For the local market.
Yeah, for the
Okay,
local market.
okay.
And if you want to maybe sell it to the people who make banana chips.
There. Okay. So if you should say promote Moortown to those who have never been here, what would you say to them?
Well, our tagline is if you want to enjoy nature, if you want to enjoy nature at its
That's the
best,
best.
then you need to come to us. Come visit us here. And it's not just nature alone, but the traditional culture of
Yes.
the Maroons, authentic dance form and drumming that you won't see anywhere else outside of Jamaica, to be more precise, and not even every other Maroon community will find the kind of drum that we do.
Yep.
So ours is we maintain the tradition of what our foreparents did. We haven't changed the drum styling.
Yep.
We haven't the constructing of them is remain the same. The rhythms remain the same, and basically that's what we do. I don't know if there's a modern way to do it. Maybe there's a modern way to make the drums, which we do from time to time.
Mm-hmm.
But in terms of selecting the materials and working on them, you just have to do the traditional way.
Yeah.
We have a very beautiful waterfall, Nanny Fall.
Yeah.
That we always take visitors. So we are working on it now, though.
Yeah.
In terms of there's some renovation work that needs to be done there. So and we need to put in an area where people can stay, maybe it's a recreational area where you can
for the day.
for the day.
Okay.
You can do like 150 people.
Oh.
And
Okay. So that's already in construction. Sorry.
We haven't started construction yet.
Yeah.
The gazebo that we are thinking of would hold like 150 people, and then you have your restroom and your restaurant and stuff like that.
Okay.
So people can go there. They can spend an entire day at the fall. Entertain. You can listen to the drums and do everything there. And then in addition to that, because we have to complete that one first before we go to the other thing that we want to do is to recreate a Maroon village.
Okay.
And that one now will have cottages in them, because we are going to be doing like the homes. The house will be like traditionally how they were. How they were when they were up in Tony River or Nanny Town, if you would choose to call it that, right? So we build them in a circle as it was, and the exterior of the buildings are going to be traditional, but inside we put modern facilities.
Modern. Okay.
Yeah, but one of them will remain entirely tradition though.
Just for a show.
Just for show.
Okay.
Yeah, but the others will be, just the exterior,
Done.
But the interior you will have to put in your showers and your, and stuff.
Just the modern amenities. Good.
Yeah. So people want to stay overnight, people want to stay for a weekend, for a month, or whatever time. And the fact that we are getting some help from the government.
From the government. Okay.
Yeah. So you have to take them, phase by phase, because they won't do all of them at the same time. Nevertheless, though, we are not necessarily sitting down and say, we are depending on the government wholly and solely.
You have your own resources.
Yeah, we have our own resources, and at the same time we are seeking funding otherwise from kind corporate citizens.
Colonel Sterling, it was a pleasure meeting with you today, sir.
You're welcome.
And we have had the privilege of visiting this beautiful part of the island, Moortown. To anyone who have never been here, I strongly recommend you coming down or coming up and see what Moortown is all about. Again, this part of Jamaica holds one of Jamaica's richest culture, where our history began, where slavery was fought and overcame to be won. So we have to know our heritage, we have to know our roots. So I would recommend for anyone who want to know or learn more about Jamaica history, please visit Moortown. Again, I've had the privilege today of meeting with Colonel Sterling, who's the chief of Maroons here, and we have also met with Fitz, who is the drummer. So we have been privileged today on such short notice for them to have taken us in to show us around the beautiful part of this island. Thank you so much. Once again, thank you for watching Jamaica Kana, and stay tuned to our next segment. Have a good day.